Wait, because something's coming down from the sky. Oh! It's a dream set. It's a dream set. Let's open it. So, we don't need scissors, I don't think so. We don't need scissors. Yep, we don't need scissors. Look how big this set is. Okay, I'm just going to open it from the top, like right here. And get this boy out. Look! Look! So we got these stuff and... Ooh, what's this? I think it's a blanket. No, look at how so big it is. So big. Oh, that's ooh. What is this? Look at this. It's a cool squishy. I'm gonna. Okay, now. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put on the mask. Guys, look. I'm so ready for bed. Oh, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna change my pillowcase. Okay? I'll be right back. See? I got my pillow ready. Comment down below if you want to get this set. It's in Edmonton. So you can buy this in the store or online shopping. Okay? Hope you have fun. Please subscribe to my channel, please. Come on guys, come into my bed. Let's go. Where should I put this on my pillows? Probably like right here.